Hello students. This is a small tutorial on what you're going to be doing for the planning part of your project. These side areas are going to look very familiar to you. And what you're going to be doing is, this is your finished product. All right, this is what you're going to be turning into me for a grade along with your project. So the project planning worksheet is a way for you to organize what you're going to be doing. All right, and specifically, you know, the meat that you're going to be turning in. So let me just get started real quick with talking about the topic. The topic is going to be placed here. You did that last quarter. The topic that you chose for your project, for your question anyway. The next is the driving question. You're going to put that there. Some of the things about the topic and that you wanted to make your point about with the driving question. That's the aspects of the topic to research. And then you're going to write all of those down there. The sources that were used. All right, you're going to go back and you're going to put in all of the sources that you used. All right, within the project. And this next section is the real world role. All right, tough to say. All right, and that's what you had chosen for your project, okay, out of the 25 there. So you're going to put that there, all right. You're also going to be putting the description of the project. So, for instance, if you're going to do a wrap, you're going to write about what the wrap is about, the types of things that are involved with it, all right, to answer your question. So you're going to put that in there as well. And under required tasks, what you're going to do is you're going to basically do like a bulleted area here where you're going to put in the steps that it took for you to do the project itself. Okay, so like for the wrap, you would say come up with the lyrics through research. Then you're going to go ahead and write the lyrics themselves, all right, with some editing. And then you're going to say, okay, I'm going to take this to the studio that I choose to record the rap on, all right, etc. Anything that you've done throughout your project is what you're going to do. And then when you're done with it, you're just going to put either the dates that you completed it or a check mark there, just so that it's there to complete. Okay. And again, when you see this, the turn in button will be here. So when you're done with this entire thing, you're going to click on turn in. And between this, your project, all right, and your project itself is going to determine your grade. All right. This is going to be worth 100 points. Okay. So when we get to the point of the rubric, all right, which is what I'm going to show you next. All right, I'll show you exactly what you need to go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go back to here, and this is the project rubric. This section, all right, is going to show you exactly what I'm looking for, all right, in the exemplary, commendable, and acceptable type of role. Okay, you notice the differences between, all right, the different things. So I was very careful about how I was going to go about assessing this project. Identifying using source information is a big deal. All right, how are you going to use those sources? What did you think about? What was that analysis that got you to the point of your point of view and drawing that reasonable conclusion? Answering that driving question. All right, explanation of ideas, real world investigations. Okay, and I'm going to put all of those comments down here when I attach this to your project worksheet. Okay, so all in all, that's basically what this is for. Is I just wanted to give you a background, a very simple background as to why you're doing this. Okay, so keep this in mind as you're going through. All right, and you can do this as you go. You can, you know, you don't have to just go do one thing and then jot it down. You can just go through and do it. But please make sure that you understand that this is going to be graded. This is going to be what I'm looking for along with the final project. Okay? Any questions, just see me. Have a good day.